Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today, we're taking a closer look at the GOOLOO GP4000 to see if it's really the ultimate jump starter for emergencies. About the product, the GP4000 can quickly jumpstart a dead car battery. Even if the battery voltage is too low, pressing the boost button will force the car to restart. The GP4000 can start all gasoline engines and diesel engines up to 10.0 liters in just a few seconds. This includes 12-volt vehicles, motorcycles, pickup trucks, RVs, tractors, trucks, cargo vans, ATs, snowmobiles, yachts, and many more. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the GOOLOO GP4000 battery clamps, USB-A to USB Type-C cable, carrying bag, user manual, parts description, indicator, power switch, LED flashlight, quick charge output port, 5 volts or 2.1 ampere output port, in or out Type-C 15 watts, jumper cable socket, DC output 15 volts or 10 amperes. How to use. Connect the red clamp to positive and the black to negative. Don't boost your vehicle when the red light on the clamp is on. Don't repeatedly start the vehicle in short time. If the vehicle can't be started at first time in 3 seconds, please be sure to wait 30 seconds before restarting it. Ensure 50 or above charge remains to start your car. Don't start a huge engine-sized car over the suggested max start engine. Don't start your vehicle if the plug is not completely inserted to avoid the clamp melted. Don't start your car if the products are blown up. How to recharge. This unit can be charged using the Type-C cable and a wall charger. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.